This morning I had coffee, friends, and a safety net. And by sunset, I was completely on my own. Hi friends, I've already broken my first cardinal rule of 422. And that is I spent all day on the highway today thinking I was going to stop at one place, and that place was closed. So I expeditiously got back on the highway and headed towards the second place. So I've been on the road since 10 o'clock, and I'm not sure what time it is now, somewhere around 5:15. And the first thing I saw when I got here are two wild cattle, a male and a female, and big horns on the male. It's kind of scary, but I found a nice place to camp, and I'm going to probably stay here 2 days. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of my travel back east. Today I am so exhausted. I drove 7.5 hours yesterday, and the night before last I did not sleep a wink. Maybe I took a nap, maybe 2 hours. I don't know if it was the altitude. I don't know if it was just being nervous about driving by myself and setting up camp by myself, since I've not been alone since October. But regardless, I didn't sleep that night, and last night I slept so good. But I did hear a big, huge bump on my van, and there are wild cattle running around here. So in the morning, I didn't know what to expect. It always sounds worse than it is. I got up and there was nothing wrong. But yeah, today's just going to be a rest and relax day. I'm going to work on my video, check my work schedule to see if it's off pause, and cook some good meals and just get rest. And tomorrow I am headed to Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, to the hot springs. That'll be so exciting. I've never been to the hot springs before, and I'll just check in later. After a much needed nap, I actually woke up with some energy, which, if you know this life, you don't waste. So I made a big batch of pasta, nothing fancy, just really, really good. And the best part, there's enough for tomorrow, maybe even the day after. That's one less meal I have to think about, one less time I have to stand at that stove. Out here, that's strategy. This morning was simple. Camp came down fast. I was rolling by 8. Felt almost too easy. There are lots of signs about what to do in a dust storm, including pull over, off the highway, keep your foot off the brake, and keep buckled. 3.5 hours later, I made it to my destination. Now I'm going to get out, scope out the area, and let Sharpie out. Well, I'm not too disappointed in this place here. Got a nice area. Got my shade already on my door side. Got my dog wanting to go for a WALK. Nice big area. Again, another fire pit, but I don't have any firewood. And he's stuck, so I have to go fix that. But this is where we're staying for the next 2 nights. I am one tired camper. So I hope to hit the hot springs tomorrow, and I hope to take you with me for my Sunday video. I don't even know where they are, how close I am. I don't really know where I am right now, but I need to take a little rest and gather my bearings, make some lunch, edit this video, and hopefully set out tomorrow to try and do some exploring and find the hot springs. So I will talk to you again soon. Bye.